Most creators hit a point where their content flatlines. No growth, no momentum. I know that feeling. I've made over 700 short videos, but also had millions of views, and I've ridden that roller coaster myself. But here's the good news. When your content flatlines, it doesn't mean it's over. You can bring it back to life. And today, I'm joined by Christy, TV camera operator, copywriter, and community manager of the studio, who also happens to be my wife. We're going to share 3 ways to go from flat to flying. So, tip number 1. Everyone starts flat. Every famous creator you've ever heard of started with nothing. No followers, no views. It takes hundreds of videos before things really take off. But when you're getting 5 views and a thumbs up from your mum on your 20th video, it feels like you're failing.
Here's the cool thing though. Once you're on the content creation journey, posting regularly, getting better, success is inevitable. You're on the path to exponential growth. The annoying thing is that the first part of an exponential graph is basically flat. It stays flat for ages and you feel like you're getting nowhere, but you are. You're learning, you're growing, you're getting better all the time. So that suddenly, when the magic starts to happen, it all makes sense. The line starts to grow slowly, getting quicker and quicker, until eventually you're flying.
Exactly. The problem is if you focus too much on the numbers at that stage, you'll quit before you even hit that curve upwards. Tip 2, keep going. And that's why this second tip is really simple. It's the one that most people get wrong. You've got to keep going. I randomly decided to post every weekday for a year. No expectations, just to see what happened. And at the start, many videos did absolutely nothing. And then others showed glimmers of hope. They showed people liking them, people sending in comments.
Because here's the thing no one talks about. The nature of growth isn't constant. You don't start from 0 followers and go on a straight diagonal line to 1 million followers. You end up having periods of flatness and then spikes of growth.
And that's how growth works. You start off with a baseline of maybe 5 views, and then you grow to having your baseline being 10 views, and suddenly it spikes to 50 views, then it spikes to 100 views.
It's like natural evolution. Pauses and then great leaps forward.
Exactly. And if you stop in the plateaus, you'll never get to those leaps. Tip 3. Get out of your head and into theirs. When you're stuck in the flat line, it feels like nothing's working. That's when you need to get out of your own head and into your viewers.
So how do you really connect with people through your videos? Forget telling them what you do or trying to teach them. We call that the teacher trap. It's when you're on a higher level to someone else, talking down to them. You want to be on the same level to connect better with people. The key to connection is to think about things from their perspective. Imagine your ideal client. What are they struggling with right now? What could you help them with? Make content about that. Give them actionable advice and really help them.
And that was a turning point for me when I stopped showing off what I knew and started giving real advice that solved real problems. People reached out. I had comments, DMs, even clients. That's what keeps you going when the numbers are flat. Just those tiny little hints. And one thing to remember is that when I had 39 followers, I had someone contact me going, I know you don't have a product, but how can I work with you? These things can happen out of nowhere. So if your content is feeling flat and it's flatlining, don't panic. Everyone goes through it. Keep going. Focus on your viewers, and before you know it, you'll be flying. And if you want help making that happen faster, that's exactly what we do inside the studio. Details in the description. And if you want to know exactly the kit I use to record all my short form content, there's a video, probably here or here. See you next time.